these window alarms are actually really nice. The pack comes with a huge amount, so, and your window, each window only takes one. So to open it, all you do is take this off. It takes AAA batteries. So you would stick it in like that. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Sorry, I already had it on. You would stick it on like this. Okay, so you have this that would go on the top part of your window and that little, I don't know what you call it, where you slide it up and you would lock it. So this would stick on there. Oh. Sorry, it would go like this. Sorry, this way. So, depending on which way you needed your door. I meant window. So when they raise the window, sorry, there's a little spot you have to put it. It is magnetic slightly, not much. So it's a slight magnet. But anyway, so that's how it would work. Just with the window moving and shut. You can turn it off. The only thing about these is it looks like they were made in a hurry, so that some of them have glue sticking out of them, yellow glue. Some of them have their, that adhesive, foam adhesive, crooked. So other than that, they work great. They're just, hurriedly put together. But there you go.
The way this works is it uses two AAA batteries, and there's a light, there's a on-off switch on the side, and there's another sensor. So if it moves out of the sensor, then it makes a noise. If it is closer to the sensor, it stays as it is. So this can be used for doors and for windows, especially if the windows come down. I don't like the battery part of it because, but I guess it will stay for a long time if your windows are not opening. Thanks.